All right, we are back here on a it's Thursday, right? Thank gosh. And we have a dress up day today, and I have been asked by certain students in class to do a OOTD, an outfit of the day for my barbecue dad attire. So of course we have the out my face, the cheap aviator glasses from the Walmart because we got to spend more money on meat. We have the dad's world famous barbecues. We have the tongs. And in my purse pants are my seasonings. And apparently, what tops it all off are the Hey Dudes with no socks. So, no socks is wild. Okay. All right. So, if you haven't done so, hit like, hit subscribe, hit the bell. I guess one day I need to do stay farce. Uh what is it? The get ready with me. That would be hilarious. Okay, so graphing by intercepts. Now, even though we just had a test on what x and y intercepts are yesterday, this may be new material for some of you. Okay, now, how is this done? Hmm. All right. Equation must be in standard form. Standard form is this right here. Oh, I got to make sure I'm going over the rules. Yeah, we got to review. Yeah, I do. After test review, somebody says, I need you to go over the rules. Somebody said, I need simple equations. There were no real equations, there were functions on this. Okay. And then somebody else said, review. We did for 3 days, but potato, potato. That's our standard form. All right, standard form, we cover up the y to solve for x. So let's think about this. This is kind of difficult for some of y'all. I need y'all to think. Okay. Let me kind of fix this wrong. Yep. Come here. So we're going to fill it. All right. So if we cover up the y value like this, we now just have like ax plus c. C is our constant. Okay, so we cover up the y value, we solve for x. Kind of makes sense, right? All right. We cover up the x value, and now we solve for y. Okay. So you plot these points on the x and y axis. Okay. Thank you very much. And I have this for you. All right. So let's look at number one. All right. So let's do this. Do, 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 do. All right. So, first of all, is this in standard form? This problem right here. Is number one in standard form? Yes or no? Well, even if all the students were mic'd up so we could hear their participation, we would also hear that nobody said a daggum thing because somebody. I'm sorry, I just in a student said no, but apparently it was like this. All right, so we're going to cover up. Oh yeah, yeah. Taking notes may be good if you have the handout. Huh? Yeah. Um, all right, so we did this. Did we or did we not? We're finding the x-intercept. Okay, so we covered up the y value. Now we have 3x equals negative 6. And how do we get this? We cover up y. Okay, value. Because if I just say cover up y, you know what some people are going to do? I'm going to show you. They're just going to cover that up. Just literally the letter y. I've never been so close to a brain aneurysm as I was yesterday. It was ridiculous. All right. So now this may be hard. So, you may have to make your own checklist. What do we do here to solve this? We subtract, right? Believe it or not, we actually did have students say, yeah, we are going to subtract. But no, we're going to divide. Okay. We get x equals negative 2. So we go to the graph. We start at 0, 0. We go 1, 2. Make a dot. Okay. We'll, we'll spice on the dot. All right. Cover up x value. And still, some of y'all, by the way, the test was going yesterday, like, I better not say that. That may get me in trouble. The umbilical cord. Some of y'all, I think that your parents chew your food for you too. Because, like, there's nothing else I could have done to prepare y'all for that test besides take it for y'all for most of you. Yeah, I kind of cried on the way home yesterday in my car, like an adult, like you're supposed to. All right. Negative 2x equals negative 6. All right. So, what are we going to do to solve this one? Yes, I had a student over there say we're going to divide y negative 2. Yeah, because it's a negative 2. We actually, yeah, very good question. They says, why is it negative 2? That we cover this up. We treat that as its sign. All right. So now, whoop, I made a righto. And I'm not as good as the student that sits 6 feet in front of me that never makes mistakes. Um, what is negative 6 divided by negative 2? Are you sure? Yes. Okay. If you're not sure, you can always use this. It's a really neat, brand new thing. Just came out last night. Never seen it before. All right. So we're going to go up 1, 2, and 3. All right. Now, what's kind of funny, since y'all have already had geometry before algebra, because somebody, State Department, you know that through any 2 points, how many lines exist? And again, there was nothing but crickets. It's there. The theorem is between any 2 points, there is exactly one. I mean, uno line. So I'm going to do my best to make it as straight as possible. And I'm going to put arrows on the line. Again, something that, what? Oh, that's for me to graph. So my bad. I messed up. So let me just go ahead and redo the whole graph. All right. So And I do the arrows. What do the arrows mean? It's something new. Y'all may not know it. Yes. Yes, the student that you cannot hear on the microphone said they go on forever. And yes, they do. That means one of them goes to positive infinity and negative infinity. Okay. All right. Are we good with number one? Nobody said anything, so it's just like any other question in class, so we're going to move on. You can't tell me that I looked you in the eyes and you nodded because y'all sit there in class about 75% of the time and go. So I don't know if you're having a seizure, you're nodding, you're dancing. I don't have no idea. I'm just trying to vibe some math and y'all are doing something else. Okay. All right. Let's find the x-intercept. All right. So to do so, what do we need to do? Yeah, we cover up the y, just the letter, right? Oh yeah, all this. All right. Now, we have to solve what is left. All right. How are we going to solve x equals 4? Or, I'm here. I heard a few people don't. Are you sure we don't do anything to solve it? No, okay, we don't. No. So then we go out here. We start at 0, 0. We go over 1, 2, 3, and 4. Make a dot. Dun, dun, dun. Okay. So that one we got that done. Y-intercept. Maybe one day y'all have a real teacher that never makes mistakes and always reviews and things of that nature. No, the person that said that kind of really makes me wonder what can they physically do by themselves? No. Um, that I don't that I don't review. Yeah. All right. So now we have 2y equals 4. That's solved, right? We don't have to do anything? No, we don't do anything, or no, we're done. Oh, okay. We gotta divide. No, it's not the same question. Pay attention. All right, so we get y equals 2. So we start at 0, 0. We go down, right? That's where 2 is. Oh, that's right. You go up. That's right. I had people say no. We actually have more people participating. I will try to echo what they say because, my cheap little microphone doesn't get everything everybody says. Well, potato, potato, man. At this point in time, I'd like to take a pop of water off my Manly Stanley. By the way, I don't know if you can hear that. That's ice that I put in there from Tuesday, and it's so cold because it's blessed by Eskimo medicine man. Not a canteen. It's a Manly Stanley. All right. Are we going number 2? All right. Number 3. Number 3 is the hardest one we've done so far. Okay. All right. For the x-intercept, we cover up the y. We get x equals 3. What do we do to solve it? Nothing. It's done. 1, 2, and 3. All right. Now, for my y-intercept, remember we cover up the x, and I had to uncover the y. All right. So we get plus y equals 3. So we have to subtract y, correct? No, it's understood that we don't have to worry about this plus right here. Okay. We need to worry about it when it's aminos. All right, so we go to three. One, two, three. When we have two dots, what do we do? I'm hearing it very faintly. It's like a game show. Well, if it was a game show like Price is Right, some of y'all would be bankrupt. Yeah. All right, that one was super duper crazy hard, wasn't it? All right. So everybody go with number three. All right. Now we're going to do something different on today's show. I'm actually going to have somebody step me through how to find each intercept. We're going to have different ones, uh, stuff like that. So, do I have a volunteer for the first one? Yeah, come on down. Oh, girl, you done miss. You had to go back and watch the rerun for the outfit of the day. All right, come on. No, you got to come in here so they speak through. You're actually going to get to wear these headphones and speak. No, not you. Go sit down. Eh, Hi. Yes, I know you just came in. You don't know what's going on. You should already have a note handout. All right, you come over here. All right, ready? I'm gonna put these on. All right.
All right.
So you tell me what to do. What do we do? If I'm trying
So
to find the X intercept.
first of all, cover up the Y intercept. Um,
And then what do I do?
so you divide -4 by -4x and 20.
Like that?
Yes.
Okay. Now what do I do?
And then you just solve.
All right. Now what do I do?
You set it up on the graph.
Good job. Give them a hand. Give them a hand. Good job. Thank you. All right. All right. Come on down. All right. So now we're working on the Y intercept. All right. Our next contestant. All right.
Let's go!
All right. So to find the Y intercept, what do we do?
You have to cover -4x.
Okay.
Then you have 5y. No,
Oh,
5y.
oh, it's a Y.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes. I'm positive, guys.
Positive, guys. Lock it. All right. Now what do we do?
Divide by 5 on both sides.
Are you sure it's not subtract?
No.
Just make sure. All right. Now what do I do?
You plot it on 4. +4, right there.
Right here.
No, right there.
Right here.
Wait, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, right there.
Okay. Do you know which axis this is?
That's the X, so you have to put on the Y.
Okay. Good. Ready. You were trying to trip us all out.
No.
All right. Good job. Thank you. Thank you. All right. So now we got our 2 points. Oh, and I totally missed that one. It's like Helen Keller going to the basketball shootout. Okay. It's not mean. She can't hear it. It's not because she's deaf. She's not alive. Okay. So, all right. So, are we good with number four? All right. Number five Anybody want to try number 5? Oh, I know you can do it again. Let's see if we can spread the love a little bit. Nobody? Boo. Boo. All right, for our X intercept. Okay. So I covered up the Y. I'm having to do this one on my own because nobody want to participate. Apparently the camera's scary. Now, I do this. I would divide by 4 to each side. I would get X equals 0, right? No. Okay, good. It's -1. Reason why I said that, I actually have seen on some of y'all's tests that something divided by itself is 0. So X is -1. Bam. All right. So y-intercept. Move this over. Oh no. This is probably why nobody wanted to help me with this one. Right? Okay. No. Silence is deafening. This is awesome. So I don't know my glasses. I know my these. Okay. It's awesome. It's a vibe. All right. So what do I do to get rid of that negative in front of the y? Do I just erase it? Divide both sides by -1. All right. I have a question. Could we get the same answer if we multiplied both sides by -1? Yeah. Potato, potato. I said potato. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right. So, and then come back up here. All right. So that's how you would do number 5. Getting a little bit easier, maybe. How many are learning a whole lot about X and Y intercepts that you did not know yesterday? Should be about 10 of you. All right. Are we good with number 5? Good with number 5. Good with number 5. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. All right. We're going to scooch on down to number 6. Do I have any takers for number? Okay, yeah, come on. You've already said it. Come on. Come on. No, not you. Snacks, sit down. She called it a long time ago. Snacks, I'll let you get the Y. Do you get to sit? You want to sit down and do it? You have to explain it too. Okay.
Oh, I have to wear the headset too?
Yeah.
You don't have lights or anything, right?
No.
Okay.
How can you worry about you having lights?
Okay. You have a big old head here. Hi there, my name's Farrah Payton. So, so we're gonna start off. Does the pad right? I don't know where it's at to write. Like, ooh. Okay, how do I write?
Well, you write.
Okay. And I just write? Yep. Okay. Okay. Great. Okay, we're gonna have. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm like usually left-handed because it's on the right side. Equals 45. All right, we're gonna divide each side by 9. That looks so terrible. Okay. Oh, that one was good. And then we're gonna get x, sorry, and then that equals 5, and we're gonna, wait, yeah, and we're gonna point that over here, and then we're gonna do the y. What? No, let me do the rest.
We don't have roofs. Let me do the rest. It's on the left side. Hey, hey, you want me to show you something? You know what's crazy? You can actually take this pad and put it on the left side. Cheese and crackers. No, real teachers wouldn't have to deal with stuff like this. All right. Come on, snacks. Come on down. Da-da-da, da-da-da. All right, so you want to do the same thing she just did, right? All right. Oh, you want me to write?
Yeah, I don't want them to know I have bad handwriting.
Okay. All right. Come over here. Why don't you get the headset on? Get on camera.
Oh, I'm good. I'll pass.
No, you have to get on camera. That's the rule.
Can my shoulder be in the camera? Oh, okay.
Okay, there's snacks.
Hi.
Okay, so what do we do?
Negative 15 equals 45. Oh, 15y equals 45.
Yeah,
Sorry.
to find the y-intercept,
Yeah.
we cover up the x.
Hey, I got here like 5 minutes ago. I'm shocked I actually got this. So.
Hey, there's people that's been here the whole time. I'm shocked they actually get it too. All right, so what do we do?
You divide by 15. And then your y will equal 3. Yay! So then you go in the middle and then go up 3. And plot that, and then you make yellow diagonal. Oh, good job. You can do math.
Good job, I can do math. She's one to talk. Okay. Maybe it is my glasses that are crooked. Oh, well. That's probably because one ear is lower than the other. All right. So after number 6, this is what we're going to do. Now we're going to go to number 11 and 13. There's a reason why. I'm going to let the suspense build in the background as we go. All right. So, all right. I don't know if it's 11 and 13 or 11. Well, let's see. Let's see what this says. Listen, you talk a lot of sass for somebody that says they can't move the mouse pad to the left side or even ask. All right. All right. A vertical line. Oh, I got you. Miss. is a number equals x. Whoops, totally missed. I'm normally better writing on paper with left-handed or the board. I'll show y'all later. Is x equals a number. All right, now what this means is x equals numbers. It's almost like that vertical line test, you know. We had a vertical line test. Some of y'all may or may not have remembered that definition. Okay. Basically, we are going to go to x equals 3 and draw a vertical line all the way down that line. Because that's every point where x will equal 3. We have 3, 0, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, all the way up to 3 infinity. Down here, 3, negative 1, negative 2, to 3 to negative infinity. All the 3s. All of them. All right. Horizontal. Please, if you shorten horizontal, it has to be 5 letters, not 3. Smart people will get that one. All right. That's where y is all those numbers. So we go right here to the y-axis, and it goes this way. Okay, so that's what's crazy. X equals a number, it's a vertical line. Y equals numbers. Look, remember, if this seems confusing, what was the number one over-the-counter drug use back in this time? Opium. And opium is a drug. That's what heroin is derived from. Okay, so now that is our lesson. I'm going to turn them loose to actually do the rest of these problems on their own, or for 85% of them, sit there and wait till I do them in class, and then they complain that they don't know how to do them on the test. So for those that hadn't done so yet, hit good stuff, good thing, hit the like, hit subscribe, hit the bell. Good stuff, good thing. Stay farce. What's going on? Ready? And roll tide.